Whilst this is a blossom photo shoot, if you're watching this video out of blossom season, don't panic. You can use these learning techniques in any photo shoot with trees, plants, flowers, any flowers. It doesn't have to be blossom. And if you have access to the archive materials, then you can watch this video in February ahead of blossom season and do this with a blossom tree. So I've wanted to do a blossom shoot for ages, and I wrote to a lot of National Trust places, but they said no, I couldn't use their blossom trees. It definitely would have been easier to use just normal blossom trees on the ground. It would have been so much easier. But I had this blossom tree in my garden, and I had the idea if I could find a model who was happy to stand on a ladder, and I was going to be up a ladder too, maybe we could make this work. Now I actually decided to use the other side of the fence because there was a lot more branches on this side coming out and I could get a kind of 3D effect. I just felt like I couldn't really get a nice effect from the garden side. So then we changed looks and we went for a different dress altogether. We didn't go for the grey dress, we just decided on this blue and pink dress. And you know, I think she looked beautiful. It was a really fairy tale dress. We had to be more careful as she was climbing the ladder so she didn't trip. But this covered her legs as well. We didn't have to worry about her leggings showing. So this was actually a much easier dress to shoot, and I much preferred shooting this dress. So then right at the end of the shoot, I decided just to make some overlays for myself. By now the model had gone home, so I literally just jumped up the ladder. I got Russ to hold up my black reflector and I took some pictures of the branches. And in the editing part of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make that into an overlay and how we can create a really dreamy effect in our picture really easily.